You'd be surprised how much time a good pair of needle-nose pliers can save, and how frustrating the wrong ones can be. That's why we dug into the best needle-nose pliers to find which ones are actually worth having in your toolbox. Welcome to Today Decision, where we help you make smarter buying choices with trusted product roundups and expert insights. If you're tackling big jobs with thick wire or stubborn cable, you need more than average pliers. You need a powerhouse. That's where the Klein Tools needle-nose pliers come in. Known for their rugged construction and pro-grade reliability, these are designed to deliver power and control in equal measure. With a reputation built on decades of field use, Klein Tools consistently makes gear that stands up to the demands of tradespeople. These pliers are no exception, combining strength, reach, and control for the ultimate in job site performance. They feature high-leverage handles for amplified cutting force, even on thick copper or steel wires. Dual-material grips improve comfort without sacrificing toughness, ideal for long work sessions. The hot-riveted joint ensures smooth operation with zero wobble, even after months of use. A narrow, forged steel head gives you precision access in tight spaces like junction boxes or machinery. Plus, the induction-hardened cutting knives retain their edge, giving you a tool that lasts longer between sharpenings. Customers love how sturdy these feel in hand, with many noting that they've replaced multiple cheaper models with just this one. They consistently praise the effortless cut on heavy-duty wires and the comfort of the grip during extended use. Many users mention how the narrow head works well for confined jobs where bulkier tools won't fit. Some minor feedback points out that they aren't great for delicate electronics, they're more brute force than finesse. Still, for heavy-duty tasks, these Klein Tools pliers hit the mark and then some. When you're working on intricate electronics or delicate adjustments, control is everything. And that's where the KNIPEX needle-nose pliers shine. These are made with the detail-oriented pro in mind, offering unmatched grip precision with a gentle touch. Built by one of the most respected names in the tool industry and designed for accuracy, strength, and durability. Their needle-nose model is particularly popular among technicians, jewelers, and engineers for one simple reason: it works flawlessly in tight spaces. The pliers feature long, smooth jaws that measure over 2 inches, giving you extended reach without damaging your workpiece. Made from chrome vanadium electric steel, they're both oil-hardened and forged, delivering serious resilience without bulk. The smooth gripping surfaces allow for secure handling of tiny parts like resistors, wire leads, or watch components. The tool's slim profile means it slips into tight spots effortlessly, a must-have for precision assembly and repair. And at just the right weight, they feel balanced and responsive in the hand. Buyers love how delicate and accurate these pliers feel during use, calling them the surgeon's scalpel of hand tools. Reviews consistently highlight how they don't mar or scratch delicate materials even after repeated use. They're praised for durability and comfort over long tasks, especially by electronics professionals. However, many note that cutting isn't their strong suit. They're built for grip, not snipping. As long as you pair them with a dedicated cutter, they're one of the best precision tools you can buy. If your work leans toward the crafty side, think jewelry, model making, or small electronics, then the VISEMAN Mini Needle-Nose Pliers might be exactly what you need. Compact, affordable, and surprisingly capable, this set includes both straight and 45-degree angled pliers for flexibility in awkward spaces. Their small size makes them easy to maneuver, especially for hobbyists or professionals who need to make quick adjustments in tight areas. Don't be fooled by the size. The build quality and comfort make these a serious tool for light-duty work. For beginner makers or DIYers, this is a perfect introduction to a reliable needle-nose tool. Made from drop-forged carbon steel and coated with anti-rust nickel, these pliers resist wear and corrosion, even in humid or outdoor settings. The heat-treated jaws offer decent strength for their size, and the rubber-coated handles provide a firm, non-slip grip. Designed with ergonomics in mind, they're easy to hold even during repetitive tasks like wire wrapping or jewelry bending. Their lightweight also reduces fatigue, making them ideal for intricate handwork over long sessions. And the inclusion of 2 pliers in one set adds versatility without added cost. Users consistently describe them as reliable and surprisingly tough for such a compact tool. They're especially popular among hobbyists who appreciate the grip quality and portability. Reviews mention the angled pliers being a game changer for working in corners or around obstructions. That said, these aren't meant for industrial use. Don't expect them to cut heavy wire or stand up to serious torque. Still, as a budget-friendly go-to tool for delicate projects, they're hard to beat. Need the right tool for your next project? You'll find our complete roundup and links to the best picks at todaydecision.ca and also in the description below. Don't settle for second-best tools or confusing reviews. We've already done the digging for you. Subscribe now for new videos every week featuring the top-rated gear, trusted by real users. From tools to tech to everyday upgrades, we help you make better choices faster. Thanks for being here. We'll see you in the next one.